Hi guys, this is me, and I'm taking my girl Nettie out for her birthday. We are going to this place called Roots. This is us. I did it back ways. This is Nettie. We're leaving. I was supposed to record going in, but I didn't, unfortunately. My bad. But this is the place. When we went in, it was a bit empty, and it got full by time we were there. This is me checking out the bathroom. It was quite clean, I must say, and well decorated. So Roots is a place that serves Lebanese food, and looking through the menu, we both got the same thing. We both got mixed grills, and let me tell you, they made a mistake because we wanted chips and they brought us rice, but when we said no, we don't want any rice, they took it back and brought out the chips. When the food came, it was sizzling hot. It was so good, and I do love the place. It's in South London, and Nettie was live streaming because she's a TikToker, but we were having fun while chatting to people. I've never gone live on TikTok, but it was quite fun. But let me tell you about the food. The food was so delicious. Oh my god. The only problem I had was with the lamb, because the lamb, it was like a bit hard to cut with a knife, and it was a bit chewy. So I didn't, yeah, in the end you're gonna see I did enjoy it, but I just left a little bit. It was so good, and we had so much fun. I hope my girl Nettie enjoyed her birthday, because chatting and live streaming, it was so good. So let me leave you to continue to watch the
yeah, that's the only reason why I give it a 5.5. If the rest of the lamb was okay, I probably would have given it like an 8. I'm not gonna give it a 10. I'm not giving it no straight 10. Probably about 5.5.
I would give it a 5 because why the lamb was tough, but the rest of the meat was fine. Atmosphere, good. And we were by ourselves for a while, but then it got full. But you know what? The meal is okay, full my belly, but why? The lamb was a struggle.